crack the throttle open slightly, about like that. Inside the cab here, we can control starting and stopping. It has a choke in the middle. Typically in the summertime, we haven't needed to use that. Maybe in the winter, but this is a brush truck for summer fire, so you probably will never need that. So the throttle is cracked up slightly above idle. So once the engine's running, I shut it off just so we can have a conversation without having to shout. We're going to prime the pump. We're going to prime the pump. This is the primer. You flip this lever up, and this lever is down on the exhaust, and what that does is it forces the exhaust through this venturi and out, and it will draw water from the tank into the pump. So we're going to prime the pump now. I'm going to start the pump from this back starting position. After you're primed, turn the valve off. Rewind.